welcome back to Joe's Garden. Now I love this time of year. Now today it's getting into autumn now and it's time for bulb planting. Now today I'm going to show you 3 different varieties of bulbs which we're going to plant. Now crocuses, there's a mixed crocuses which I've got here. I'm going to plant directly into the lawn, and always remember to plant with the pointed end up, so the roots. And always also another tip to remember that these bulbs have got to be 2 depths of the bulb. So the first thing I've done, I've dug a hole like this and then put it beautiful in there, and then I put it back. Your lawn may look a little bit of a mess, but it will improve. I'll put another one in for now. Same again, pointed end up, that in there. Same again. Now the other bulb I've got basically is a snakehead fritilla. Now these love by the water. Now what we'll do is we'll do exactly the same process as we've just done with the crocuses. Pointed end up again. I'll put 2 in this one. And then we just put it in. Now that will take care of that one. Now I've got another one which is one of my favourite bulbs. Now the other bulb I've got here is a Fritillaria ruba. Now these are beautiful bulb. They've got a foxy smell to them. You either like it or you don't. Now as you can see, they've got a hole in the middle here, and it's genius how these work. First thing I've got is the mix. The mix I've got here is like compost with a bit of grit, because these bulbs don't like to be sitting in water. First thing you do, I put a layer of grit on the bottom. Now these are going to be big bulbs, so must remember to plant them deeply. And then what I'll do, I'll plant it on the edge like that, because if I plant it straight up, the water will get into the middle and rot the inside of this bulb, which I don't want. So in it goes, on its edge. Same again. And then I'll just put them around, beautiful like that. Look at that. I wish you could smell these. Must remember peat-free compost, which I've used here with extra grit, and all I'll do is just cover them. And then come the spring, it'll be beautiful. I'll finish that one off later. And then what I normally will do, I normally put a nice plant in the middle of it all. I'll plant that in later as well. Hope that helps.